Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the folder color in your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. All you have to do is sign in to your Google account and go to drive.google.com. Now let's simply look at how to change the folder color. For instance, let's say I want to change the folder color for this exact folder right here. I'm just gonna click on those three dots associated with this folder. You can also right click on the folder, it's up to you. And from here, lots of things will open up like open with, download, rename and everything. What we need to do is simply go to organize. And from here, as you can see, there are a few buttons like move, add shortcut or add to start. And right here just below it at the very end, you will see something called as folder color. From these choices, you can change the folder color that you wish to. I'm gonna select this one, and as you can see, the folder color has been changed. Changing a folder color is quite easy. And guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.